Welcome to Auto Gear, your go-to channel for the latest automotive news, reviews, and insights. Today, we take a deep dive into the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS, a breathtaking combination of power, luxury, and open-top exhilaration. As Ferrari's flagship front-engine V12 convertible, the 812 GTS represents the pinnacle of grand touring, delivering a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. Whether you are a longtime Ferrari enthusiast or someone who appreciates the craftsmanship of high-performance automobiles, this car is an engineering marvel that commands attention. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS carries forward its iconic design with subtle refinements that enhance aerodynamics and aesthetics. The front end is aggressive yet elegant, featuring a sculpted hood with functional air intakes that improve cooling and efficiency. The sleek LED headlights seamlessly blend with the sharp body lines, giving the car a futuristic yet classic Ferrari appeal. The large front grille is designed to optimize airflow, contributing to engine performance and high-speed stability. Moving to the sides, the car's muscular stance is highlighted by sculpted fenders and lightweight alloy wheels, designed to enhance grip and reduce weight. The retractable hardtop adds versatility, allowing drivers to switch between an enclosed cabin and an open-air experience in just seconds. At the rear, the signature quad taillights have been updated with modern LED elements, while the large diffuser and active aerodynamics system ensure maximum downforce and stability at high speeds. Powering the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering one of the most exhilarating driving experiences imaginable. Ferrari has fine-tuned this masterpiece to extract even more horsepower while maintaining an incredibly sharp throttle response. The car's acceleration is nothing short of breathtaking, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time that rivals the fastest supercars in the world. The advanced dual-clutch transmission ensures rapid gear changes, seamlessly delivering power to the rear wheels for an unmatched driving sensation. One of the defining features of the 812 GTS is its intoxicating exhaust note, which becomes even more immersive with the top down, letting drivers fully experience the raw sound of Ferrari's legendary V12 engine. Inside, the 812 GTS offers a driver-focused cockpit that blends race-inspired technology with luxurious craftsmanship. The cabin is wrapped in the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber accents, and aluminum trim. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, customizable displays, and an intuitive interface that keeps the driver fully connected to the car's dynamics. The latest Ferrari infotainment system features seamless smartphone integration, advanced navigation, and voice control, ensuring both convenience and connectivity. Performance telemetry features allow drivers to track lap times, acceleration metrics, and G-forces, making the car perfect for both spirited road driving and track performance. Ferrari has made significant advancements in the 812 GTS's handling, making it one of the most agile front-engine V12 cars ever built. The refined chassis and advanced rear-wheel steering system enhance cornering ability and responsiveness, ensuring maximum control at any speed. The magnetoreological suspension system continuously adapts to road conditions, balancing comfort and high-performance driving dynamics. The braking system has been upgraded with high-performance carbon ceramic brakes that provide incredible stopping power, giving drivers confidence even under extreme conditions. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is a statement of pure automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with open-air freedom. Whether on the track or cruising along scenic roads, this grand tourer delivers an unforgettable experience that few cars in the world can match. Ferrari has once again set the benchmark for high-performance luxury, proving that the spirit of the V12 is alive and stronger than ever. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest automotive news, make sure to subscribe to Auto Gear and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS and which feature excites you the most. See you in the next video.